guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, you can see like a color. It's covering. I haven't no time to make videos today. Yeah, I doesn't have any time to make videos. So please, I haven't take any kind of to make video like make any other time because I just want to make a video of other things, Please request some video to do. Um, please request because I haven't seen anything. Please request. And as you can see, I didn't make a video for a week because we have a vacation in a 1 week and we came back here and I'm still not making some video. I told you that to make a vlog, but I didn't do it because I didn't bring my phone because yeah, I just didn't bring my phone because I forgot it. I also forgot my money. So yeah, please request. Just request easy things, not hard things. Like if you climb to the mountain, then you sleep there. Please don't request that, guys. Just kidding. Okay, just request any easy things to make in my video. And then please, guys, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below for more videos. So all of you guys there that always says sub to sub po, you can say that, but yeah, I will do it if I want to. Yeah, you can say that, guys. You can say it. Don't worry, I will do it. So yeah, please, guys, reach this a 100 subscribers. Yeah, yeah. I always tell yeah. Okay, goodbye.